All right, well, I got it in. Got the purge line routed properly, and that cable bundle going down below. Got the bypass hose on, not clamped yet. And I have very limited visibility on the actual gasket that's underneath. But I think between these two sides, if it was out of position, I would have noticed it. At least I'm hoping, because I cannot see on this side at all. So I tacked it down. I did my best to not disturb it, and the bolts seem to go in properly. So we'll hope that gasket's in place. Still have to torque it down, which I think I'll do next before I do anything else, because I still have good access. Just a note, it really helps to have a 1/4 inch 10mm with extension and a 3/8 inch socket extension with a swivel and a 10mm for the back one. I could not get a 1/4 inch in there with or without an extension. It just, that back nut or bolt, screw, whatever you want to call it, it just did not want to reach back that far. So next step, torque it down, then put the sensors in and get them attached. Double check the routing of the remaining lines, and then get the top on with the thermostat, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, I got to the point of putting the sensors in. The sun is in the wrong position right now. First off, I blocked the opening on the lower thermostat in case I dropped a retaining clip in there. Second off, I installed the electrical connection to the sensor first. Of course, I dipped the sensor O-ring in soapy water. It went right in. And on the retaining clip, as you can see, I tied a string to it just in case it wanted to go flying. I didn't want to drop it down into the engine. And it went in fairly good. Now I just have to cut the string off, tie it on the next one, and insert number 2.